striker.
Oh my gosh. That's a serious flex problem. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. I just like to see everything, you know how I am.
You're cool, man. Take a picture of the latch, dog.
What?
Look down at the striker.
Oh my gosh. That's a serious flex problem. Wow.
Little bump. Ah! Here, hand me that. I gotta cover the door with it.
Oh, sorry.
You're
You're good. Go ahead, man. Your thing.
Yes, sir.
All right. They should have given him a like. About to get a demo of this wild, crazy thing. He's fixing up the door. Looks like he's got some bass pressure issues, so he latches it up. You see it latched up with the ratchet strap, so here we go.
As you see, we do a full AC too.
Yeah, you got AC running. Are these the 3?
Yeah, those are NSV3s. You read it right, sir.
Okay.
Oh boy.
This looks good. 6-quarter.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Did you build this?
No, actually, Joel Sparky did. It's another one of my builds that I scooped up.
Okay. Looks really good.
Yeah, it's in the processes. Just getting a second here, getting everything booted up.
You're good. What's your electrical like?
So it's a 12 volt and a 16 volt setup. Just a basic standard lead acid battery under the front, 130 amp hours of C-max on an externally regulated 370 brand X.
Okay. Nice. Do you know your tunings on it?
Yeah. So it bottom. It's a negative ratio, so it's really tuned low. We'll see if I can't get USB to play because my phone is acting up.
All right. And how much power are you clamping it on?
I did a 157.7 at 20 for 2 minutes on Subsonic runs.
Wow. Okay. That's good. You happy with it?
Not really, because the truck is known for doing 60s with bonus. So we'll find out here. I'm sorry, Jake, man. I always do this to you.
It's all good, man.
My USB is detecting moisture, and my phone's gonna die. That's great. You know, NSV3s are known for their low ends on that aspect. So
yes, sir. Thanks for showing me, man. This is
no
nice.
worries, dude. It's definitely a little different than the actual. Than my buzz box. So.
they fucking mouth, man. Follow protocol, blood. Get in their fucking chest, nigga.
That's pretty low.
What?
That's low frequency. What is that, low 20s?
Yeah, that's actually 20.
20 hertz. Wow.
Yeah, that's full 20.
That's really good.
So
Nice.
I do this. I'm so not used to 80 PRSs, dude. It's not even funny.
There's a lot of you have to load settings of every new stereo you try.
Yeah. Well, yeah. So like, I'm so used to the DEH line, but this is definitely different than what I'm used to.
USB popping already.
Yeah.
You're that loud, dude. You're tearing it up.
Yeah, man. It's just, it sucks, bro. I always have some sort of thing that goes on with Slam and MOS. It's always these fields that give me the biggest issues. So, try to get it to reload.
You're good.
I'm sorry, bro.
Oh, you're
I'm
good,
gonna let
man.
you out.
It's all good, man.
So.
That is really impressive. It's really clean on the low end too.
Yeah, so you know, NSV3s are known for their low ends on,
Yeah.
on that aspect. So
Yes, sir. Thanks for showing me, man. This
yeah,
is
no
nice.
worries, dude. It's definitely a little different than the actual
Yeah.
than my buzz box. So
Having USB issues, but got to hear it. Oh